fixing to start supper here. What we're gonna be making tonight, Mama?
Pork chops, avocado salad. That's it.
The avocado salad's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
Tell them we're gonna have lots of different things going on here, like some sun-dried tomatoes. Show them other little tomatoes, baby. Of course, some avocado.
Cilantro. Don't look if you don't like. You can leave that out if you don't like it. I know some people.
If you don't like cilantro, just leave that out. We're gonna have some kale.
Kale. You can substitute spinach or lettuce for the kale too. Peppers.
Peppers.
Cucumbers.
Fried okra, but we're not gonna bread it, right?
Yeah, we're not gonna bread it.
We're just gonna fry it in a pan and put it on there. And look, tonight we're gonna be trying some of this Olive Garden right here. Me and Fallon went to Olive Garden a while back, and we really liked their salad dressing, so we're gonna try this. This came from Ingles.
I've had it before. You've never had it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you've done eat it.
Yeah,
Is it pretty close?
We're gonna sear the pork chops first in a pan.
Got some bubbles going on, girl.
We're gonna sear them in a pan first and then bake them the rest of the way in the oven because Titus didn't want to cook on the grill.
Well, here's the thing. I love cooking on the grill, everybody, but I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes cooking pork chop can be a little bit dry on the grill.
Yeah.
You can do things like wrap it up in aluminum foil and stuff like that, but the truth of it is I don't think that the pork chops stay on the grill long enough to get, you know, as much flavor as I'd like it to. I do like it on the grill. I mean, I'm not gonna say we don't like it on the grill. Let's just put it where it's at. I didn't feel like striking that thing up. We're making all kinds of excuses here, but I really didn't feel like going out there. It's been a hot day today. I mean, it's been a really hot one, hasn't it, baby?
Yeah.
And I didn't feel like going out there and striking the thing up, but we're gonna cook them on the inside and we're gonna pretend like that's really the best way to do it. And
That's
Fallon's
what makes
going
us
ahead.
happy.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
that
what
makes us happy.
I just put some oil in there, and I'm doing 2 pans. That way we can do them all at one time because we got a bunch of them. These 2 need to go in first because they're a lot thicker than the rest of them.
Some people like thick cut, some people don't. I mean, to be honest with you, if we're gonna bread the pork chop, I really like this. I like them about this thick right here. But sometimes if we're not gonna bread them, I like them to be a little thicker.
What do you want to season these with?
I think we just need to keep
salt
it, yeah, simple, baby. Salt and pepper. You might put a little bit of some, why don't we make some ginger? Lightly dust them with a little ginger, Mama. Let's try that and see what that tastes like, everybody. Ginger pork chops.
Why don't you put that on yours?
Folks, I'm gonna put that on mine. Fallon don't want to put that on hers. I'm gonna go, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ginger. What else do I want to do here, baby? Maybe a little bit of ground mustard. Yeah. Maybe some minced onion, paprika. I say we're gonna keep it simple, folks. Let's just go ahead and complicate this thing. Y'all want to? Thyme. Let's just put all that on there, Mama, with some good butter.
I'm gonna go ahead and put my boring old salt and pepper over here. And then you need some butter.
Yeah, I think plenty of butter, you know. You definitely can't go wrong with butter. Now, I am gonna be eating me a beet after a while, everybody. Let's get us a little slab of butter here. Not too much.
Notice how they put that sticker on it that says "Grate on the Grill." See that?
Yeah.
That sticker right on there.
I do like them on the grill. But the truth of it is, sometimes I like pork chop just cooked on the inside. And I like the idea Fallon's got of wanting to.
Oh, that's cayenne pepper.
I am gonna put a little cayenne. I see you got that out. And
Jonah got it out. He wants to put some on his.
I'm gonna put a little cayenne pepper here. A little bit of ginger, not much. Dust it. Like that. A little bit of paprika. And a little bit of minced onion. And you can do this to both sides and carry right on. I got a little mustard here, a little ground mustard. What's it called? Yeah, ground mustard. And last but not least on this side is a little bit of thyme. Now you can pat that down and do the same thing to the other side. Let's go ahead and do that. Tonight, y'all, we're gonna see whose pork chop turns out the best. Was it Fallon's?
Oh, it's gonna be a competition.
Now we're turning this thing into a competition. Which one's the best? Is it gonna be mine with all these different flavors, or is it gonna be Fallon's with straightforward salt and pepper, which ain't gonna be bad? I know that ain't gonna be bad.
Smells good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good, I think.
Let me turn that up a little bit more so we can get a good sear on it. Okay, I'm gonna have to get an apron.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Now I'm fixing to put my beef inside the oven. I've already cleaned it.
His already has a better sear on it than mine, y'all. He's winning.
Humbly. I'm staying humble about this. I've already washed it and I cut the top off of it, so I'm fixing to find me something to put it inside the oven. And I will put a little bit of water in there so it'll kind of steam it a little bit. I am liking the way that pork chop's looking. Fallon had a really good idea right here, is to sear the pork chops. You get kind of that fried type
Taste.
Yeah.
And feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we will place them in the oven for the final deal.
Yeah.
The final deal. How you liking them so far, Mama?
Yours is winning. We don't even gotta talk about it. Did you show them the comparison?
Let me show y'all. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. To be honest with you, I'm really excited about the
Salad.
avocado salad. Yeah.
Me too.
I love avocados.
I'll wash these dishes and go ahead and get that started.
Nothing like doing dishes together.
First thing we need to do is peel the avocados and slice them. I think we'll just leave them in half.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll peel them and half them.
Okay, I'm gonna go put these in the oven.
Yeah.
Do we got enough room in there?
Yeah, there's
I
nothing.
think so. We got enough room in here, everybody. Grease. Let me have that, baby. I'll do it for you. You're having a little time getting this seed out right here. The way I like to do it is just come right in here and pull it out with a knife. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna place these on another pan here. Alan's showing us in detail right now, folks. How do you peel an avocado? Hook it up, sweetie.
I'm no pro. I'm not a pro with that.
Neither one of us are.
Now, this is a really easy salad. That was the hardest part right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we got, Mama, don't forget about the
Oh, I forgot
okra.
about it. I did forget. Hey, we can just fry that okra in one of these pans. It's got the...
Right here, everybody.
Yeah.
We ain't worried about it. We'll scoop a little of that out if we want to. We may not. It might make us happy to do it like that. What do you think, Mom?
It's gonna make me happy to do it.
It's gonna make us
Flavor.
happy.
That's flavor.
Flavor.
Yeah.
Now, me and Fallon are coming up with this deal with the fried okra on the salad from going somewhere. Where was it, baby?
Cumberland Jacks.
Cumberland Jacks. Okay, that's in the mountains. In the big mountains.
Karen got it one time. Fridays Forever.
Fridays Forever showed us this.
She got a salad that, and they had fried okra. I'm pretty sure theirs was breaded, but we're not going to bread it.
We're not breading it. No, we're just gonna fry it just like this right here.
Just to soften it up a little.
Yeah. Do we need a little butter in there, Mama, or a little more? I already put just a little bit. Do we need any more?
Probably.
We're gonna put a little more, everybody. You know what? I'm gonna put some more. Is that enough, Mama, or we need more?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Fallon said that's good. If she tells me to put more, I'll put more. We'll seal the deal with a kiss.
This is kind of like you're using the fried okra in the place of croutons, especially when you bread it. And it is slimy. I know a lot of people don't like okra because we don't mind the slime.
We sure don't. We don't mind it at all.
You can see it kind of. That's just how it is. It's good though.
It's really good.
I've just got kale in here right now. Like I said, you can do spinach, lettuce, whatever you want to do. We're just going to squeeze in some lemon juice. And I'm going to go over here and grab a lime juice. Okay, now I'm going to wash these little tomatoes. I think we'd leave these whole. You want them whole?
I think so.
I think whole
yeah.
too. We'll just wash them off real quick. We hand-picked these from Ingles.
Straight out of Ingles produce box.
Yeah. We'll just shake those in there. We're going to slice these cucumbers. Thank you.
What do you need, Mama?
I was going to use that big knife, but it's got the okra slime. I'll just use these.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay, now cilantro.
You don't have to put the cilantro.
You can leave it out
if you don't want that. You definitely don't have to do that. Just keep this okra kind of stirred up.
Put all that in. Now we're going to get a little bit of salt and some crushed red pepper flakes.
Okay.
This is just to taste however many you like. We like a lot.
We like pepper.
We need mint, and we do have to take a trip to the garden for that.
Yep. This is like a summer salad.
Yeah. Oh, you could also put watermelon in it, but we didn't want to do the watermelon. Oh no. Yes, do they kill deer to get that deer park water?
Oh, no, baby.
No deer were harmed in the making of that water. All right, we're just gonna toss that around. Now what we'll do when we put it on our plates, we'll add the avocado and the okra and the dressing. This smells really good.
That beet is done. I know a lot of people are worried to death about that beet. Mm-hmm. It's ready to go. Let's see what we got. Seems to be pretty tender.
No.
Yeah, it's tender.
I already taste tested mine, so.
You did?
Yeah.
Let me taste test yours. That way I'll have an idea of what we got. Just like I knew it would be. That's great. Is that wowing you or not? It ain't wowing you, is it? Mm-hmm. Is it?
That's better. He won.
Going for, what's the name of this salad again, baby?
Avocado mint.
Mmm, that is fantastic right there.
Yeah, the okra on there. Did you get okra?
You nailed that, baby.
That's good.
That's good.